Avalanche coin Avax becomes the overwhelming focus with its state-of-the-art Avalanche agreement, mixing verification of work and evidence of stake for fast exchanges and adjustable subnets. Avax stands apart for high throughput, interoperability, and eco-accommodating innovation, denoting its presence in the unique universe of decentralized finance. Assuming you're searching for Avalanche cost expectations figure for 2024, 2025, 2030, and need to know where the cost of Avalanche Avax will go from now on, we will examine the previous costs of Avalanche Avax and will figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activities. Kindly remember that you want to take this forecast and each and every expectation with the goal that this is just the idea of some market master investigators. Also, foreseeing something so wonderful is totally unthinkable. However, we will make an honest effort. We should begin. Avalanche outline. Avalanche coin, frequently contracted as Avax, is a decentralized stage that works with the creation and trade of computerized resources and applications. Avalanche coin hangs out in the realm of digital currencies with its imaginative Avalanche agreement, high throughput, and adaptable subnets. As blockchain innovation keeps on developing, Avalanche makes ready for versatile, energy-productive, and interoperable arrangements. Extraordinary elements of Avalanche coin. 1. High throughput. Avalanche's inventive agreement instrument takes into consideration fast exchange handling, accomplishing high throughput contrasted with customary blockchain networks. This makes it ideal for applications requiring fast affirmation times. 2. Customizable subnets. The capacity to make custom subnets empowers engineers to tailor blockchain conditions to explicit requirements. Whether it's making a subnet for decentralized finance DeFi applications or gaming stages, Avalanche offers adaptability. 3. Interoperability. Avax is planned in view of interoperability. Its organization can associate with other blockchain networks, advancing consistent resource move and correspondence between various stages. 4. Green innovation. Not at all like power-based cryptographic forms of money that consume significant energy, Avalanche's agreement instrument is more energy proficient, lining up with developing worries about the ecological effect of blockchain advancements. As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of Avalanche is $29.48 and Avax is right now positioned #11 in the whole crypto environment. The dissemination supply of Avalanche is 394,130,403 with a market cap of $11,619,368,539. With an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap, the Avalanche's cost has shown a decent increment of 2.47% as of now. For most recent 7 days, the Avax was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 23.44%. Avalanche has shown areas of strength for exceptionally of late, and this could be decent an open door to dive right in and contribute. We foresee future Avalanche cost expectations Avax gauge by applying profound man-made consciousness helped specialized investigation on the past value information of Avalanche. We give a valiant effort to gather most extreme verifiable information for the Avax coin, which incorporate different boundaries like past value, Avalanche market cap, Avalanche volume, and barely any more. On the off chance that you are hoping to put resources into advanced digital currencies and need great profit from your ventures, try to peruse our expectations. Avalanche value expectation synopsis. There is potential for Avalanche cost to encounter a huge flood, coming to as high as $61.15 toward the finish of 2025. Avalanche Avax is expected to arrive at a greatest cost of $414.20 constantly 2030. Experts project a bullish pattern for Avalanche in 2040, with costs possibly coming to $24,103 mark. Long-haul investigation recommends that Avalanche cost might actually flood to $29,808 by 2050. The ongoing business sector cost of one Avalanche is $29.48. Avalanche value expectation 2024. Avalanche cost is gauged to arrive at a least conceivable degree of $34.79 in 2024. According to our discoveries, the Avax cost could arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of $39.50 with a typical gauge cost of $36.28. Avalanche value expectation 2025. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of Avax, in 2025 the cost of Avalanche is anticipated to reach at any rate level of $49.39. The Avax cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $61.15 with the typical exchanging cost of $51.20. Avax value estimate for 2026. According to the estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2026 the cost of Avalanche is anticipated to reach at any rate level of $74.56. The Avax cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $84.99 with a typical exchanging cost of $76.61. Avalanche Avax value expectation 2027. The cost of Avalanche is anticipated to reach at least degree of $105.33 in 2027. The Avalanche cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $128.17 with a typical cost of $109.16 all through 2027. Avalanche value forecast 2028. The cost of Avalanche is anticipated to reach at the very least worth of $154.25 in 2028. The Avalanche cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of $182.50 with a typical exchanging cost of $158.61 all through 2028. Avalanche value expectation 2029. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of Avax, in 2029 the cost of Avalanche is gauged to be at around a base worth of $233.97. The Avalanche value worth can arrive at a limit of $267.59 with the typical exchanging worth of $241.90 in USD. Avalanche Avax value expectation 2030. The cost of one Avalanche is supposed to reach at least degree of $359.28 in 2030. The Avax cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $414.20 with a typical cost of $368.96 all through 2030. Avalanche value figure 2031. According to the figure and specialized examination, in 2031 the cost of Avalanche is supposed to reach at least value worth of $502.25. The Avax cost can arrive at a greatest value worth of $632.44 with the typical worth of $520.69. Avalanche Avax value forecast 2032. Avalanche cost is estimated to arrive at a most minimal conceivable degree of $735.76 in 2032. According to our discoveries, the Avax cost could arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of $879.20 with a typical gauge cost of $756.58. Avalanche value expectation 2033. The cost of Avalanche is anticipated to reach at the very least worth of $1,058 in 2033. The Avalanche cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of $1,286 with a typical exchanging cost of $1,089 all through 2033. Avalanche value figure 2040. Understanding business